right across from our site near the entrance of the park is the comfort station, which is basically the restrooms and the showers, and there's a really nice playground, and at the end of the building there's Horseshoes and Bocce Ball, and then as you come around again to the other side of the building there are the restrooms and the showers, and the showers are really nice. They're not like a room with a bunch of stalls. They are private showers, as you can see right here, so I thought that was really nice. Then again down a little further outside there's also an Amazon locker hub, which I thought was pretty cool. And then this is just the seating area outside the playground. Dog park. It's artificial turf, which is kind of nice. It stays green. You like it, Shania? Yeah? You like it? At the end of this row are the bayside cottages, which are basically just the cottages facing the bay, so I'm sure they're more expensive. And then at the end of this row of cottages, we come back to the pool, where the arcade and the fitness center and gathering area is. It's called the Commons area, and I'll have more pictures of that coming up. And here's the pool with everything all sparkly and new and clean. It's really nice. Plenty of chairs. I'm sure it'll get crowded in the summer, but it was really nice. And down at this end are cabanas, which you can rent. I think there were about 5 of them. Down at the one end over here, they have a big screen TV where they play sports, and I hear they had cartoons on Sunday morning. And then there's also a handicap chair to lower people into the pool. And then down at the end there, which I'm gonna walk over to, are 2 jacuzzis. This is the fitness center, which I'll also include more pictures of the inside. And then down here at the end is another commons area that had some heaters. There's an upstairs deck, which is also, I guess, a cafe, but the cafe wasn't open. It's scheduled to open mid-June. There's the commons area with the heat lamps. All around, just really pretty. There's also a splash pad in the pool area, so I dared my husband and son to run through it while I was behind the camera. And oh, he got drenched. Honey,
Yes.
do you like it?
Yes.
Now we're headed out on our bikes from our campsite and past the playground again. And we're going out to the bike path. I had to take out the original audio because there's so much wind noise, but I wanted to let you know what you're kind of seeing along the way. So here's near the end of one of the rows, and we're going to be passing by the pool again over on the right. So there's the commons area and the pool. Just past the pool right there is a little putting green. I love how they have the extra chairs at every site. The Adirondack chairs were so comfy and cozy to sit by the fire. Oh, we had 3 jets go over. I wish I could have left the sound in, but really you would not have want to have heard all the wind noise. So anyway, here we go. There's a nice empty site. And as we round this corner, you come to a gate. You'll have to bring your card that they give you to get back in. So then you cross the street here, and then you're headed out on the bike path. So this is the resort from the walking trail. There's some of the cabins and the pool. Here's the trail we're on. There's the refuge, the animal bird refuge that we went to. And here is the bay. There's Coronado Bridge, San Diego. Touched him.
That's a golden eagle, that's a golden. Wingspan can be 5.9 to 7.
They have a calendar with a full schedule of events, and this was on our last night there. They had a bicycle light parade, so you could go, and I think they provided the lights for you and just put them on your bikes, and they rode around the RV park. Really fun. Thought it was cute. Kids would love it. Heck, I would have loved it.